My name is Shilpa, and today I'm very excited to present my SQL based coffee shop sales analysis project. This project focuses on analyzing sales trends, customer behaviors, and revenue insights to help in optimizing business strategies. Let's get started. In this project, I analyzed sales data from a coffee shop using SQL to extract valuable business insights. The dataset contains transaction details, product details, and timestamps. The main goal is to derive business insights, understand customer behavior, and optimizing sales strategies. Key objective of this project were identifying key sales trends and revenue drivers, analyze customer purchasing patterns, determine peak sales hours and seasonal trends, evaluate product performance and store efficiency, extract insights for data-driven decision making. To address these objectives, I have framed a series of business questions and structured them into three categories: basic, intermediate, and advanced. Let's start with our basic questions. First question: what is the total sales revenue? To find the total sales revenue, we have to calculate the revenue by multiplying transaction quantity and unit price. Here, sum adds up all the individual revenues to get the total sales. Here, round indicates the total revenue of two decimal places for better readability. Question number two: how many transactions occurred in total? To calculate the total transaction occurred in total, we have to count the total transactions to get the total transactions. Here we get 1,22,932 transactions in total. Question number three: what are the most frequently purchased products? To find the most frequently purchased product, we have to select the product detail and count the number of transactions for each product. Here, group by groups the data by product name so that the count function calculates how many times each product appears in transaction. Order by indicates sorting of products in descending order on their purchase frequency, showing the most popular items first. Here, Earl Grey RG got the highest purchased product of 2,555. Question number four: what are the different product categories available? Here, to find the different categories, we have to select the distinct product category. Here, distinct keyword ensures that only unique product categories are selected, avoiding duplicates. Here, coffee, tea, drinking chocolate, bakery flavors, loose tea, coffee beans, packaged chocolate, branded. These are the different product categories available in this coffee shop. Question number five: what is the average unit price of all products? By calculating average unit price, we get 3.37 of average price of all products. Question number six: which store location has the highest number of transactions? By calculating total transaction of each store location, we got Hell's Kitchen has the highest transaction compared to all location. It total 41,832 transactions occurred in Hell's Kitchen. Question number seven: what is the total revenue generated per store location? By calculating revenue for each store location, we got Astoria has the highest revenue, followed by Hell's Kitchen, so on. Question number eight: what are the top five best-selling products? By calculating total transactions for each products, we got Earl Grey RG has the highest sales, followed by chocolate croissant and morning sunrise chai RG, then dark chocolate LG. Yeah. Here, coffee got the highest percentage share of 41.64%, followed by tea, bakery, drinking chocolate, so on. Question number 10. What is the average number of products purchased per transaction? By using SQL queries, so we got 1.4369 average of product purchased per transaction. By running this query, I got total transactions of 65,799 transactions in the morning, and 45,125 during the afternoon, and 12,009 in the evening. Question number 12. What are the peak sales hours for each store location? To find peak sales hours, we have to extract hour from transaction time to determine when sales occur, and by counting all the transactions for each store location at each hour. By analyzing the output, we got most of the location has peak sales hour as 10 a.m. 10 a.m. got the highest transactions, almost all the store locations. Question number 13. How does the sales trend vary across different months? To calculate the sales trend across different months, firstly we have to extract the month, then calculate the total number of products sold in each month, then we have to calculate the total sales revenue per month. By analyzing the output, we got May has the highest sales with 48,233 total sales and 1,56,727.76 in revenue. And the lowest sales occur in June. Yes. Moving on to question number 14. What is the correlation between product price and quantity sold? Here, to find the correlation between product price and quantity sold, I have used Pearson's correlation coefficient formula. That is R is equal to summation of xy minus summation of x summation of y divided by n whole divided by square root of summation of x square minus summation of x whole square divided by n multiplied by square root of summation of y square minus summation of y whole square divided by n. By using this formula, I have calculated correlation between product price and quantity sold. Here, I got correlation as minus 0.1257. This suggests a weak negative correlation, meaning as the price increases, the quantity sold tends to decrease slightly. Yes. Question number 16. Which products have the highest revenue contribution across all stores? By calculating revenue contribution across all stores, here we got sustainably ground organic LG contributing highest revenue sales of 17,541.75. Question number 17. Can we identify customer purchasing patterns based on time and location? Yes. By extracting hour from transaction time and counting all the transactions of each store location, I got 10 a.m. Has the highest transaction of 4,093 in Astoria, followed by 9 a.m., 8 a.m., 7 a.m., so on. Finding peak shopping days per store. This calculation is same as finding peak hours. Here we extract day from transaction date and rest is same as peak shopping hour. By solving all the questions, here I found some key findings and insights. Our data shows that sales peak in the morning. Earl Grey tea and chocolate croissant had the highest purchase count. Sales increased during April and May, indicating potential seasonal demand. The Astoria location generated the highest revenue. Interestingly, high-priced items do not always have the highest sales volume. Some business recommendation I have to give, that is adjust marketing and promotions to boost morning sales. Further consider cross-selling and or bundling bestsellers to increase transaction values. Prepare for April-May seasonal spike with strategic stock planning. Analyze Astoria store's success and apply learnings to all the store locations. Optimize pricing strategy to align with customer spending habits. Optimize staffing schedule to align with the peak shopping hours. And this come to an end of this project. Here is the conclusion. This project provided valuable insights into customer preferences, peak sales times, and product performance. The findings can help coffee shop owners to make data-driven business decisions, such as optimizing inventory, pricing strategies, and marketing campaigns. Yes, this is how I analyzed coffee shop sales, and those are the findings, recommendations, and all. Thank you for all for your time and attention today. Thank you all. I would love to hear your thoughts or any questions you may have. Thank you.